In primetime news this evening, more than 1,000 murders recorded in Jamaica since the start of the year.
Pump attendant becomes latest victim after being murdered on the job in Portmore, St. Catherine.
And commuters inconvenienced in Linstead, St. Catherine as taxi operators withdraw their services. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious, and with a preview of what's to come in the business day, here's Javon Keys. Javon, big news for Grace Kennedy today.
Indeed, Janella, they're going to be acquiring Scotia Insurance Caribbean and its book of business. I'll have that and more in the business day later on.
Okay, thanks Javon. From Javon, we go to Spencer Darlington. He's here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, there was a shock defeat today for Jamaica's back-to-back Olympic champion over 100 meters. It took place at an international meet in Switzerland. We'll give you the details later.
Shocking indeed. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in the package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What are your thoughts on a proposed plastic collection competition between the JLP and the PNP?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.